I've got a broken coffee grinder. The motor and controls work fine. It's the plastic bowl broke loose from its base, making a mess in the process. The bowl looks like it was glued to the base, and that is the location of the failure. Really looks like the glue joint itself failed, and not that the plastic cracked. Some of the base plastic is still glued to the bowl, but I really feel it's the glue joint that gave way. Let's see if we can tell what type of plastic it is. There is a stamp. Hard to see. I think that is a PC. I believe that is polycarbonate. Now the bowl. It is stamped ABS. Maybe that applies to the entire thing. I'm going to clean off the plastic with some isopropyl alcohol. Get as much of the dust and coffee bean oils off the joint as possible. I'll go over it a couple times just to make sure. So I'm going to be gluing a polycarbonate to probably an ABS. This weld on number 16 should work. Polycarbonate is on the label, so that's good. I have used it on ABS before, at least I think it was ABS, and it seemed to work well. I'm not really sure how strong it bonds with ABS, but worst case, I'll spill some coffee beans on the floor. This number 16 glue is thick enough that it will stay wet on the plastic for a few minutes. I'll put a pretty thick coat on the base joint. I do like to coat both plastic joints with this glue. With this second joint, just getting a thin coat. Put them together in the right position. I will put a bit of weight on it for an hour or so. This glue reaches about 80% strength after 24 hours, so I let it set overnight. If it stays together at this point, I'll probably be good. Looks like the glue spread pretty good. Don't feel any lip on the inside, that's good. Feels solid, no vibrations, seems like it's all one piece now. Probably glued better now than it was originally. That feels good and secure. Now for the real test. Going to put a few coffee beans in it and give it a go. Well, that looks and sounds like it should. It's not a quiet grinder, not at all. Okay, that looks like it should. I think I may get a bit more life out of this thing after all. And I get to have coffee in the morning. That will make for a good day. Thank you for watching.